How prompt engineering works. There has 4 important points in prompt engineering. If you follow this 4 steps, then you will get more accurate result from ChatGPT. In this video, we will discuss about it. Number 1, clarity is the key. Prompt is as an instruction manual for ChatGPT. So the more clear, detailed, and precisely you give instruction to the ChatGPT, the more accurate result you will get. For example, if we write a prompt AI self-driving car, then you will get basic normal answer. But if you write more clear and detailed prompt, then you will get more better result. For example, if we write a prompt, explain how artificial intelligence is used in self-driving cars, then you can see that this answer will is more furnished answer than previous one. That's why, when you're writing any prompts, make sure it is more clear and detail about your question.